something will work, I don't know. Okay, at least we have something working today. The projector is working, nice. Okay, so what I would like to show you today is, first of all, this specific concept. Today we are going to Today we are going to start our experience with Autodesk REVIT. I mean all the people, all the students that are attending this course in the regular way, all the registered users, but also every one of you, because I think all of you are students at the University of Bologna. You are entitled to download a specific release of Autodesk REVIT free of charge. So you can use it in the regular way, in the specific way. I know that you have many sources to find your software, and I cannot just give to you any sort of advice, because I know that you can find every single kind of software in the world. But please mind this, you can find in the educational website of Autodesk a specific educational version of Revit that is completely similar to the commercial one. It's the same. You can find a specific version of Revit that you can use free of charge for 3 years, and you are entitled to use it without any limitation. So please feel free to download it and to use it, because if you are going to sign up to the Autodesk website, you are also entitled to use many of their services that are network rendering, any kind of software that is produced, that is made by Autodesk, is free for you. You can use also other software just like AutoCAD, just like 3D Studio Max, Maya, Navisworks, all the elements that maybe can be useful to integrate all the workflow that you can experience with the Revit. So please use this resource, because it's very interesting. You can find in this resource a lot of useful elements, because if you can just take a look at the Autodesk website, you can see that you can download plenty of software. So every single element can be used for 3 years. And of course, if 3 years are not enough for you, the next year you can download again a new version of the software, and you will be entitled to have another 3 years for your license. So please take a look at this. Use always I think the latest release of the software is the best one, so you can use it with updates and upgrades. And this kind of approach is very useful, because many issues that can arise using the software are fixed by the Autodesk team. So this is the first thing that I'd like to do today with you. And this is the main exercise. The main exercise is something that you can find on the main website of this course. So you can download some files, some software also. I will prepare for you some software, but you can already download some files that I prepared for you this morning. So every Friday morning you will find new files on the website. And this Friday, my gift for you is our first exercise. And our first exercise is something very easy, if you want. It's something that I think it's useful, because it's the typical workflow that we meet when we start doing something into a BIM environment. So you will find a PDF file, this one, with a very simple plan view of a very simple and very ugly building. The building is very ugly, it's so full, but it's full of elements that are important to understand in order to use the best possible way your Autodesk REVIT, your BIM environment, your BIM approach. Okay? So we will start with this exercise, because this exercise will follow all our development during the course. And we will see that with this file we can do a lot of things. We can start to model not only the geometry, but also the information, because please keep in your mind very firmly that we are interested, when we are talking about building information modeling, First of all, to the information. First of all, to the data. First of all, to all the connected elements that we can check, we can manage, we can link to our three-dimensional model. So, this is the first exercise that we will do.
Scusi, non si connettono a internet computer?
Ci sono purtroppo delle macchine che non funzionano. Io vi potrei suggerire, se avete dei portatili, magari di passare delle chiavette. Magari vi posso dare fare anch'io.
Sì, sì.
I think if someone is not able to download the files from the net, if you want, I can share a USB stick with the files, so we can share it at least for today. But keep in mind that every Friday morning I will give you files. So in the next Friday, please remember to download every single file in the morning. Ok, io adesso vi passo tutto con la chiavetta, per cui vi passo direttamente i file. Appena avete l'approvazione vi ritroverete in cascata tutto. Io purtroppo non so spiegarti Okay, we have it seems that we have three different kinds of issues. The first one is that unregistered people are not able to download file from the web resources. But you can sign up. So if you sign up to the website of the course, you can download independently from the official registration all the software that I will share with you. The second problem is about the license of the software. Some of the workstations are not going to start correctly REVIT because there are many issues on the network file server license. We are trying to fix this problem because I already called the IT staff, and if you have a problem today, I'm very sorry about that. We will try to fix together with the IT staff the problem. So for today, if you are not able to see the software, please take a look to the monitor next to you with your colleague, with your student, because I think that today they are not able to fix the license. I will call them back again in a few minutes, but I think they are already taking care of the problems, and they are trying to fix them with their course timetable. Any problems there? Okay. So let me prepare for you this USB stick that I have with me. Okay. And I will share in this stick all the files that we need to start our. Yeah, I can do this. Yeah, it's exactly exactly. It's the main reason that I decided to open a Facebook page, because I know that we have many issues here with the official. Okay, let me prepare the software.
Biz bu neye göre açtık? Ben tutanmadım. Ders. Bu siyasi. Bunlar ne işler? Bunlar ne işler? Bunlar şey dostlar değil, dolarlar. Bu ikisi. Revit 2016. Tam son tüm. Ben böyle valla. Böyle mi yapacağız? Yıkılayım ben. Ha? Yıkılayım ben. Ben ne diyeyim mesela 11 basıp sarı.
bilmediğim üzere tarif edeceğim.
Ya yarısı.